Auto Glass Professionals. It's in the name, Auto Glass Professionals. Auto Glass, it's what they do. Professionals, it's who they are. Auto Glass Professionals. I mean, when you talk about windshield repair, right, in the Twin Cities, there's none better than Auto Glass Professionals. Just check out Auto Glass Professionals if you've got any needs with your windshields. There it is in the sign right behind me, Auto Glass Professionals. It's right there, Auto Glass Professionals. And you know what? They've got 3 locations in the metro. There's one in Little Canada, an Auto Glass Professionals. There's one here, Spring Lake Park, Auto Glass Professionals. And guess what? There's also one in Eden Prairie, an Auto Glass Professionals. agpmn.com is where you can find Auto Glass Professionals online. If you want to hit up Auto Glass Professionals for anything you need for your windshield, Auto Glass Professionals. That's it. That's it. That's all I got to say about Auto Glass Professionals, although I could go on and on about Auto Glass Professionals, but I won't bother you. Auto Glass Professional. 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 Auto Glass Professionals. Auto Glass Professionals. One call does it all. Tell them Perk sent you.